Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to set up X account or Twitter account. So in your Safari you're gonna search for Twitter and it's gonna open a page just like this if you are a new user to X. So I'm gonna just create an account. Okay, I'm gonna wait up for a few moments. And as you can see right here it says create your account by adding your name. So I'm gonna just add name and I'm gonna use my email instead. Okay, I'm gonna use iCloud and I'm gonna just enter the date of birth. So I'm gonna just say August 1992. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed, and here it says customize your experience by track where you see X content across the web. If you want it, you can just click the check mark. If you don't, just leave it out. So I'm gonna just continue, and here it says to verify this is your name, email, and date of birth. So I'm gonna just sign up. I'm gonna wait up for a few moments, and here it says they sent a code to my iCloud. So I'm gonna just go back to my screen. I'm gonna enter my iCloud, and as you can see right here, they already sent a code. I'm gonna just go ahead right here and copy it, and I'm gonna just go back to X. I'm gonna enter it. Okay, and next, and if you hit next, you will enter your avatar icon and all that. Okay, so I'm gonna just hit next. It says you will need a password. I'm gonna just enter a strong password. I'm gonna hit next, and I'm gonna enter my avatar icon or profile picture, and I'm gonna just skip for now. And this is my username. They already set it up. If you want to change it, you can just change it by something suitable for your taste. So I'm gonna just skip. And if you want to speak if your native language is Arabic, you can just enter Arabic. If your native language is English, you can enter English, or you can enter them both. And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.